Most people don't become warriors because they avoid the very things that forge one. So listen carefully. These 6 Stoic truths will either break you or build you into something unshakable. 1. Pain is your sharpest teacher. Everyone wants strength without struggle. But nothing shapes a warrior faster than pain faced head-on. Pain shows you where you're fragile and where you must grow a second skin. Don't run from it. Walk into it. Let it carve a new version of you. 2. Comfort is a trap. Comfort whispers, "Stay where you are." It kills the fire inside you one easy choice at a time. The warrior embraces discomfort. The cold morning, the hard decision, the lonely path. Every time you choose the harder road, the weaker version of you dies a little more. 3. You owe yourself responsibility. Excuses feel warm, but they rot your discipline. A warrior never waits for someone else to fix the problem. Radical ownership gives you power. Power over your direction, your reactions, your destiny. Blame nothing. Control what you can. Move forward anyway. 4. Life will take things from you. Loss is not an accident. It's guaranteed. But instead of fearing it, use it. Let the possibility of losing everything remind you to appreciate everything. The warrior doesn't cling. He values, he cherishes, he lets go without breaking. 5. Your mind is the only real battlefield. You can't control people. You can't control outcomes. But you can control what you think, how you respond, and what you give your energy to. Master your mind, and the world loses its power over you. This is where real freedom begins. 6. Time is the most brutal truth of all. You don't have endless days to start tomorrow. Time is slipping through your fingers, whether you're building your life or wasting it. A warrior treats every day like a final chance, because one day it will be. Start now. Start imperfectly. Start afraid. But start. These truths aren't soft. They aren't comforting. They're forged in fire. And so are you. Face your pain. Reject comfort. Own your life. Protect your mind. Value your time. If you do, you won't just survive this world. You'll dominate it with a quiet strength people feel before you even speak. Like and subscribe for more.